Okay, now all of you listen. In this session, we are going to discuss the topic to find the number of zeros at the end of a factorial. That is the topic. See, 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, 5 factorial is 120, 6 factorial is 720, 7 factorial 5040, 8 factorial. So the point is that when you reach 5 factorial, there is a 0, and then when you reach 10 factorial, there are 2 zeros. So if I give you a random factorial and I ask you how many zeros are there at the end, so to find that, you will have to successively divide by 5, because every time you encounter a multiple of 5, there will be an extra 0. So suppose if you do 50 by 5, so 5 tens are 50 and then 5 twos are 10. So you just successively divide 50 by 5. Like 5 factorial is ending with 1 0. If you divide 5 by 5, you will get 1. 10 factorial is ending with 2 zeros. If you divide 10 by 5, there is 2. So if you divide 50 by 5, 5 tens are 50, 5 twos are 10, so total is coming to 12. So that means the method of doing these type of sums is that you have to successively divide it by 5, and the total of all the quotients will be your answer. So suppose if I say that how many zeros are there at the end of 100 factorial. Suppose if I ask, so suppose if I ask the question that how many zeros are there at the end of 100 factorial, so you divide 100 by 5, so you will get 20, then 20 by 5 you will get 4. So total is 24. That means that 100 factorial, if you keep on dividing it successively by 5, total is 24. So 100 factorial will end with 24 zeros. So that is it. This is the topic for today, and now I'll give you the usual 5 questions homework. So find the number of zeros at the end of 47 factorial, 58 factorial, one 1142 factorial into 3 factorial, 8 factorial into 17 factorial, Okay, question number 4. N factorial has 23 zeros. What is the maximum possible value of n? Question number 5, n factorial is 13 zeros. So if n factorial is 13 zeros, what are the highest and least values of n? So these are the question. Find the number of zeros at the end of number 147. Find the number of zeros at the end of 47 factorial, 58 factorial, 114 factorial into 348 factorial into 17 factorial. Question number 4, n factorial is 23 zeros. What is the maximum possible value of n? N factorial has 13 zeros. What is the highest and least value of n? So these are the 5 homework questions, and that brings us to an end of this session. So I'll end the session now. Thank you. Bye all of you.